Morena, tamerikima, whānau and kaiko. It's ANZAC Day this morning. I've come to stand at the end of our street to remember the people who went very far away and who stay close by, and all the people who keep us very safe. A few people out on my street down the bottom coming to remember the people who travelled around to make us safe. Oh, my camera doesn't like the dark. I don't know if you can see them, they're just down on my side. So something we do in ANZAC Day is we have 1 minute's silence to think about the people who have gone before us, the people maybe who we miss, the people who are lucky and came home to see their families. Okay, let's have a minute's silence. We'll have a look at the sunrise. Okay. And something else we do during it for ANZAC Day is we read a special poem called the Ode to Remembrance. They shall not grow old as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun and in the morning we will remember them. And then everybody who's there, so you follow me and then we say together, we remember them. We remember them. I'm going to try saying the Ode of Remembrance in Te Reo Maori, so please be very kind. E kore rātou e kaumātuatia. Pēnei I a tātou kua mahue nei. E kore hoki rātou e ngoikore. Ahakoa. Pehea I ngā āhuatanga o te wā, I te hekenga atu o te rā, te noa ki te aranga mai I te ata, ka maumahara tonu tātou ki rātou. And this is the bit we all say together, but I'll just say it again. Ka maumahara tonu tātou ki rātou. Thank you for joining us for the ANZAC Day service. Stay safe, stay healthy, look after your family, and remember those who came before us. Ka kite anō, see you soon.